Welcome back to Cursed Mining, and today it is time for another PC build. Not the build for myself I have been talking about, but rather for a brother from another mother who wanted to plan and build the system together. And yes, while I'm talking, enjoy his ultimate paradise for all gaming nerds. I want to do things a bit differently. Normally I talk through the whole video and discuss the parts, but today I want to leave it as a pure build montage without talking. First, I also thought of doing two videos, one part discussion, one pure montage, but I wanted to ask you folks, so please let me know in the comments. Alright, let's go.